Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 important questions for TGT PCT English Literature and other English Literature associated exams as a practice at 30. Let's start. Question number 1. At what age did Shakespeare get married to Anne Hathaway? 14, 24, 28, 18. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 18. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Wordsworth's Immortality Ode contains blank space stanzas 7, 9, 11, 14. What will be answer? Wordsworth's Immortality Ode contains 11 stanzas. Option C will be the right answer. Wordsworth's Immortality Ode contains 11 stanzas. Immortality Ode is a poem by William Wordsworth, completed in 1804 and published in 2 volumes in 1807. Next question. Which river figures in the Tintern Navy? Wye, Rye, Trent, Ouse. What will be answer? Answer will be Wye. Option A will be the right answer. Tintern Abbey was written by William Wordsworth after a walking tour of his sister in this section of the Welsh borders. The description of his encounters with the countryside on the banks of the river Wye. Next question. What is the title of Wordsworth's autobiographical poem to his childhood? Ode, Intimation, Immortality, Tintern Abbey, The Prelude, Ode to Duty. What will be a correct answer? Correct answer will be Ode, Intimation, Immortality. Option A will be the right answer. Intimation of Immortal. The poem was completed in 1804 and published in Poems in 2 volumes in 1807. The title of Wordsworth's autobiographical poem related to his childhood. Next question. The first folio Shakespeare's works had a poem as preface by Shakespeare, John Havings, Ben Jonson, John Hall. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Ben Jonson. Option B will be the right answer. The first folio of Shakespeare's work had a poem as preface by Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson was an English dramatist and poet. Next question. Ode on intimations of immortality from recollection of early childhood is in form of irregular ode, Pindaric ode, Horatian ode, regular ode. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Pindaric ode. Option B will be the right answer. The poem Ode on Intimations of Immortality from Recollection of Early Childhood is Pindaric ode. It combined aspects of Coleridge's conversation poems, the religious sentiments of the Bible, and the work of Saint Augustine. Next question. Which of the following is called the Magna Carta of Romanticism? Biographia Literaria, Defense of Poetry, Lyrical Ballads, The Spirit of the Age. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Lyrical Ballads. Option C will be the right answer. Lyrical Ballads is a collection of poems by William Wordsworth and Samuel Taylor Coleridge, first published in 1798 and generally considered to have marked the beginning of the English Romantic movement in literature. Next question. Fortinbras in Hamlet is Prince of Denmark, Prince of Norway, Prince of Holland, Prince of Portugal. What will be correct answer? Fortinbras in Hamlet is Prince of Norway. Option B will be the right answer. Fortinbras in Hamlet is Prince of Norway, whose father was killed by Hamlet's father. Hamlet Tragedy in 5 Acts by William Shakespeare, written in 1599 to 1601 and published in 1603. Next question. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. These words occur in Hamlet, King Lear, As You Like It, Twelfth Night. What will be correct answer? These words occur in As You Like It. Option C will be the right answer. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly occurs in As You Like It, a comedy by William Shakespeare. As You Like It is a pastoral comedy by William Shakespeare, which has been written in 1599 and published in 1623. Next question. Which of one of the following works of Wordsworth is known for his theory of poetic diction? Prelude Book 5th, Prelude Book 4th, Ode on the Intimation of Immortality, preface to Lyrical Ballads, 1798. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Preface to Lyrical Ballads, 1798. Option D will be the right answer. Preface to Lyrical Ballads, 1798, work by Wordsworth, known for his theory for poetic diction. Poetic diction is the term used to refer to linguistic style and the metaphors used in the writing of poetry. Lyrical ballads, with a few other poems, is a collection of poems by William Wordsworth and Samuel Taylor Coleridge, which first published in 1798. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the learning about 10 questions. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.